up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me for Christmas, and I'm really excited because I love Christmas. I love all holidays, but Christmas is just so much fun. So I am just so excited about decorating because it is the day after Thanksgiving and I am ready to decorate. And let's just jump right in. Okay, so here are all the Christmas decorations that I have. I have this giant red bag that I put a couple of little trees in. Then I have 2 totes. I usually try to limit myself to 1 tote of decorations per holiday, but for Christmas, I kind of go crazy. So right now I have 2 totes and hopefully I won't fill up another one. I'm going to start by cleaning and dusting, and then I want to put all of my candy themed decorations on here to look like a candy wonderland. So I think that's going to be really cute. Now I'm dusting off my stocking hangers because they've been stored for a while and they need to be shiny again. And I know this is not the best place to put our stockings, but it's really the only section that we have. And the stockings always touch the ground, but this is really the only place that I can do it, so. I know this star is way too big for this little tree, but it's gaudy and I really like it. Now I'm just dusting off my TV stand and my television, and I think I'm just gonna add a few decorations, and I wasn't too sure about what to do with this section, so I did change it a few times. Now I am dusting off my dining room table and just taking everything off. And I usually leave the white trees that you just saw me take down and I put ornaments on them, but I really just want to take a break from it and do something different. Time to move on to the last section that I want to decorate, and that is my shelf in the corner of my dining room. And I changed this so many times. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but it was so much fun just like trying different things, and I think it turned out super cute. guys enjoyed this clean and decorate with me for Christmas video. Let me know what you thought. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.